The teaching of APA styling at Indiana Wesleyan University is in flux at the close of 2009 because the American Psychological Association released the 6th edition of their publication manual. This has significant changes compared with the 5th edition. It affects the punctuation, how many spaces after a period. It affects the running head. Certainly there are many new document types on the web that have to be referenced that were not even known about in 2001 when the 5th edition came on the scene. The 6th edition is currently used by doctoral students that have entered our program and nursing students entering the program after October 1st, 2009 received this book as well. Nursing students prior to that time received the 5th edition of APA, and because it was recognized it was obsolete in its handling of document formats that are found on the web, we also gave them password access to an additional supplementary electronic references guide that APA provides. Business and education students use the Prentice Hall guide. It gives more comprehensive assistance with grammar and paper writing and how to do a presentation. The actual amount of space devoted to APA is small, probably 30 pages. The bulk of the book is not dealing directly with APA styling. So the students using this book have simply a summary and do not have all the examples that would be in the books coming from the American Psychological Association. The book does have valuable electronic resources that the APA manual does not have, such as a template that they can download if they log in to a special website that ships with the book. The 5th edition is the basis for the 2nd edition of the Prentice Hall Reference Guide, which students prior to 2009 received. So students who entered the program after 2009 began receive this book. Students prior to that time have this book. What this means is that in a class with students taking electives, say nursing and education and business students together, you might have 4 different books in use because of times when different cohorts started. This calls for some grace in your application of APA with these students.